Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. I have another weekend of RC racing. That's the oval truck. We're over here at Turn and Burn. I was hoping to get some awesome drone footage for you, but when I put out my drone, I realized one of my propellers were snapped, so it wouldn't fly. But maybe next time I'll get you some shots. They've definitely updated the track. I'm about to show you some of that. That's really neat. It's definitely bigger. It's great. Like I like racing here. It's not a far trip from my house. And as a novice, I don't really have much I can complain about, you know, but yeah, this is my setup. I once again do the easy up out of the truck with a table here and just everything I need. Here's, you know, my RC car and stuff. But here, let me give you a few shots of the track so y'all can see what it looks like here. It's definitely bigger than last time. They made the track a lot bigger, a lot more challenging, and I definitely enjoy it. But here, let's take a look at it. Big shout out to Jason and his son Philip for lending me some drone footage they shot. Also, big shout out to Philip. He just had a 10th birthday. He's just a few days after mine. That's me. All right, guys, this is Skybasher RC setup. He's been very helpful for me. Every time I race, I pretty much run into him. He's helped me out. He rode the WRC cars. This is his electric. He's got a brand new gas one back there. They hadn't even run yet. He's waiting for his pipes to come in. That thing is sick. Just how brand new this looks. Nice build. Yeah. And you can follow his videos, like I said, Skybasher. I'll put a link down there for him and everything. This is one of my things I like doing. I like seeing people's setups. I like seeing people's booths and how they do this. Like we were just talking about, I'm gonna have to work on building a better setup for getting my stuff here. That's really cool. Then he's got his box of tires over here. Nice little setup. Yeah, I need to work on this. Better easy up than I have. Yeah, getting my stuff here, that's the pain in the butt, getting bins. So I'm gonna do a video soon. I might do a Milwaukee pack out build for that. But you can see now, this is pretty much final practice. Everybody's on the track. I'm kind of practiced out. Let's get this guy flipped. Let's try not to die here. All right. Oh, in there. Oh, I love that paint job. That paint job is really sick.
25 flat. 22.2. 23.4. 20.8. 24.
Yeah, I love that body.
19.
That's awesome.
22.3. 33.1. 32.7.
This whole area, I really enjoy this.
17.7.
And so you can see we got our stands over there. Decent little turnout of people. Yeah, I need to work on my little setup. I've got my fan and everything down, but really I need to work on getting it here, getting set up faster.
36.5. 20.5.
All right.
30.2. 23.7.
And a big shout out for Skybasher for his win. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel. I definitely put the link down at the bottom, guys.
Just watching today.
Yeah.
1 down, 6 to go. 1 down, 6 to go.
$20.6. 17.3.
I unfortunately can't clear that jump with my car. I don't have enough power. This one over here I could. And this back section is definitely my favorite area. You make that jump right and hit those whoops, which he unfortunately didn't, but that's a great section through there. Then up through here through the turn. back around again.
21.9.
Nice. That was a good jump.
20.6.
I like that white. That's actually kind of why I'm going to paint mine white.
33.9.
I'm going to be white and cobalt so I can tell the direction of my car. Hopefully for the next race, going to paint that. Oh,
Coming.
he got it.
21.2.
All right, guys, this is one of the reasons I love RC racing. It's a lot of it's the tinkering. You know, I broke an axle in practice. Luckily, had someone lend me one. Is this back one back here? Snap that one. You can tell how clean it is. But snap that one here. These is kind of a weak point of traction. And like these that weren't meant to race, but I'm enjoying running novice with it. I'm definitely going to move up into a buggy soon here. But I just these are my second ever tires that I've built. So this is going to be the first time I've run them. So hopefully give me a little traction. I'm about to get ready to run my aim, my first race, my qualifier. Sorry, that's not a main. This body's about done too. So hopefully by the next race, I'll have another body painted up and ready to go. I'm also thinking about cutting out this section here so the car does not fly as much. I definitely have a problem with the slash where if it gets in the air, it gets like this almost as the air catches the body. But yeah, we're going to get ready, get out there for our first quali and see how it goes.
3 down, 4 to go. Clean, Coleman, Bullis, Velasquez, Brooks, Milner, Stroh, and Weekly. Got one right here by the loop. 2 of them by the loop. Being on a 27-15. Coleman up to second with a 19-7-17. All right. We got everybody checked in here. Yeah, I got one Marshall there. Looks like I got Alex going to that cone there. Looking good, looking good. All right, we'll let these race. Jason, Peter, and Kendall. Tyler. Here comes Tyler coming around. Victor with a hot lap with 24 flat. Mason with a 28.56. Phillips with a 31.17. Mason Lee with a 26.79. Fastest lap on the track goes to Richard Weekly with a 22.601. 2 down, 5 to go. 2 down, 5 to go. Right now we got Richard Weekly out front, followed by Mason Gardner, Phillip, Nathan, Ling, Chad Byron, Ty Singerhand. All right, guys. Everybody's all lined up, getting ready for the novice A main. Marshals all look alive. This is novice. Marshall's ready. Racers ready. On the sound of the tone. Weekly with 24.43. Chad in the number 2 spot with a 30.90. Nathan Kling with a 31.53. Tyson with a 31.80. Phillip with 34.95. Mason with 35.99. 1 minute down, 9 to go. Richard sets it up on lap 2 again to a 23.85. Lane all the way up in the number 2 spot with a 24.29. Tyson in the number 3 spot with a 26.56. Tyson with a 27-27. Phil Kendall with a 28-87. Weekly with a 24-29. Chad with a 31-59. 2 down, 8 to go. 2 down, 8 to go. We got Weekly out front, followed by Kling, Tyson, Kendall, Chad, and Mason. Mason just ran a hot lap with 25-48. Right now, they're all on the same lap. Moved all the way up in the number 2 spot. Just ran a hot lap over 26-34. That 4-wheel drive practice is getting it. Three down, 7 to go. 3 down, 7 to go. Tyson with a 27-60. Nathan Gardner with a hot lap of 23-31. That's going to be moving him all the way up in the number 3 spot right now with 7 minutes to go. Tyson with another hot lap.
Sorry,
of
Philip.
25-82.
That stuff sticking out right there, so make sure you go around it.
3:45 down, 6:15 to go. Your leader still, Ricky Weekly, followed by Tyson with Phil Kendall, Mason, Chad, Nathan, and Ryder. This is the novice A main. Tyson with a 26-18. Chad Byram just ran a hot lap with 26-83. Chad just backed it up with a 25-51. Tyson with a 24-26. Phillip with a 24-27. Tyson with a 24-26 with an 8. Tyson with a hot lap of 24-0.
Hey, can you put me on right? Thanks.
24-17. Right now, Tyson is only down by 1 lap to Weekly for that number 1 spot. Nathan Gardner is the number 3 spot right now with 4:20 to go.
Push it forward.
Tyson with a tough lap. Phillips with 32-36. Weekly with a hot lap with a 20-0-2-2. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go.
Very good. You did that very good. Way to go wide there. That's what you want to do. You're in third.
Bill Kendall with a hot lap of 23.93.
Make sure you go wide there. That's good.
Bill backs it up with a 29.94. Wheatley with a 27.33. Tyson with a 27.36.
Very good.
That's your 1 and 2. 3 minutes to go, mate.
All right. So that was another great weekend at Turn and Burn. I had a great time racing at that track. I do like the new layout. It's definitely more technical. I had a great time there. A lot of fun. I ended up finishing 5th. I need to do better on my starts and then just get better at being consistent. I'm totally getting over the tracks of Slash as far as my novice car. It's just so floaty and hard to control, and no matter what I do with adding a controller and settings, it's just never as nimble as a lot of the people out there with faster cars. So I'm definitely going to be looking for something soon, a buggy probably to move up into. But great time. It was great seeing everybody. And if you're ever out there and you see me, let me know if you would like for me to record your pit. I love recording people's pits and talking about and how they do setup. So if you have a pit and you want to show it to me, let me know when you see me out there. I'm racing at Zoo City a lot. Where else? Red Brush and Turn and Burn, and maybe a few other tracks here in the North Carolina area. But don't forget, you can always find books and shop manuals on our website, Midlife Classic Cars. And don't forget to check out our shirts here. They have the slogan, one foot in the grave, 1 foot on the throttle on the back of them there. So anyway, I hope everybody had a good one. Enjoy the video. Take care. We'll see you soon.